Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to combine websites or templates into one in Wix. This is incredibly useful when you've built multiple sites or templates and want to merge your favorite pages into a single cohesive website without starting from scratch. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're in your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with a few options. From here, click on Website. This takes you directly to your website management area where you can view and edit all your sites. Now you'll see your website settings and a preview of the site you're currently working with. Take a moment to make sure this is the website you want to combine pages from. It's important to confirm you're working with the right site before moving forward, especially if you manage multiple websites under the same account. From this page, locate the Design Site button at the top part of your screen. You'll typically see it beside a pen icon, which is Wix's way of indicating editing mode. Click on that button to enter the editing interface where you can make changes to your site's structure and design. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens. Look for the Pages and Menu button located on the left navigation panel of your screen and click on it. This opens up all the tools you need to manage your site's pages and navigation structure. A side menu will appear from the left navigation panel displaying a complete list of all the pages you currently have in your website. Now to start the combine process, we'll begin with a single page. This might sound tedious, but it's actually the safest approach because you get full control over which pages you add and where they go. Hover your cursor over the page you want to copy and you'll see a three-dot icon appear. This is the More Actions menu. Click on it. From the listed options, select Copy. This action places the page into your clipboard, ready to be pasted into another website. Now it's time to switch over to the website you wish to add this page into. Navigate to that site using the same process you used earlier, going through your dashboard to access the Design Site editor. Once you're in the target website's editor, open the same Pages and Menu panel from the left navigation. Here's where things get interesting. Right-click on the outer part of the page list, away from the individual page names. You'll see an option that says Paste and Apply Site Theme. This feature doesn't just let you combine websites, it also applies the design theme from the original site to ensure visual consistency. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a page from one Wix site and pasted it into another, complete with its original styling. Simply repeat this process for any additional pages you want to transfer, and you'll have your websites combined exactly how you want them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.